The town of Milton is known for its timeless beauty, tree-lined streets, historic architecture, and a strong sense of New England character. Many of its homes, from classic colonials to charming capes and Victorian-style residences, tell a story through their craftsmanship and design. For homeowners in Milton, updating their windows is more than just a practical project. It's about preserving that historic charm while improving comfort and efficiency. Choosing the right window replacements requires careful balance, blending modern performance with period-appropriate aesthetics. Here's how you can upgrade your windows while maintaining the distinctive character that makes Milton homes so special. Respect the architectural heritage. Every era of architecture in Milton has its own design language. Before selecting new windows, take time to understand your home's original style. Colonial and Federal-style homes often feature symmetrical facades with double-hung windows divided into small panes, 6/6 or 9/9 grids. Victorian homes showcase more decorative elements, such as arched or bay windows, stained glass, and intricate trim. Cape Cod or Craftsman homes typically emphasize simplicity, with clean lines and natural wood finishes. When replacing windows, choose styles that reflect these design traditions. For instance, maintaining grid patterns or matching original trim details ensures your new windows complement the home's architecture rather than clash with it. Professional window specialists familiar with Milton's historic homes can help you find models that mimic traditional designs while providing the benefits of modern technology. Choose materials that combine tradition and durability. While wood was the standard material for older homes, today's window frames come in a range of options, each with unique advantages. The key is finding one that looks authentic while offering modern performance. Wood windows. Ideal for maintaining a true historic look, wood frames can be customized to match existing molding and painted in traditional colors. Modern wood windows also come with protective cladding that resists rot and weather damage. Fiberglass or composite windows. These mimic the appearance of wood but require less maintenance, making them perfect for homeowners who want durability and energy efficiency without losing character. Vinyl windows. While more contemporary in appearance, they can still be styled with divided light patterns and custom finishes to blend with older homes. In Milton's varying New England climate, it's essential to choose materials that can withstand seasonal temperature changes and humidity while maintaining their timeless appearance. Pay attention to color and finish. The color and finish of your replacement windows can make a major difference in preserving curb appeal. Historic homes often use muted, natural tones, think soft whites, creams, warm grays, or traditional black trim. If your home is governed by a historic district or homeowners association, check for color restrictions before making your final decision. Many manufacturers offer customizable finishes that can be matched to your home's existing palette, ensuring a seamless integration. Choosing the right finish not only complements your home's period style but also enhances its resale value by maintaining authenticity. Upgrade efficiency without changing the look. Old windows are notorious for drafts and poor insulation, especially in New England's cold winters. However, replacing them doesn't mean compromising on style. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed to look traditional while incorporating advanced technologies like low-E glass coatings that reduce heat loss while maintaining clarity. Argon or krypton gas fills for improved insulation. Tight weather stripping and double-pane construction that prevent drafts. These innovations help keep your Milton home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, all while maintaining the charm of classic window design. Work with local professionals who understand Milton's character. Not every contractor understands the nuances of working on older or historic homes. Partnering with local window replacement experts ensures your project respects both architectural integrity and modern building standards. Local specialists can help navigate permit requirements, recommend historically appropriate materials, and ensure the installation is precise, protecting both your home's value and its aesthetic heritage. Final thoughts. In Milton, window replacement isn't just a home improvement project, it's a way to preserve the town's historic beauty for generations to come. By choosing replacement windows that honor your home's original design, materials, and craftsmanship, you can enjoy modern comfort and efficiency without losing the charm that makes your property truly unique. With the right balance of tradition and innovation, and guidance from trusted local professionals, your new windows can beautifully bridge the past and present, enhancing both your home's appearance and its performance.